Hi everyone. So I'm here today. I want to show you how you can use Zoom to stream to YouTube, and you can do it as well to Facebook, but I'm going to show you that in another video. But having watched this, you might actually get the idea. Now, one of the reasons for using Zoom is a lot of people are familiar with it, and you then just need to set it up. By the way, this doesn't work at the time of recording anyway. If you've got the free Zoom, you do need to pay for it, for this to work, and you need to set it up in your Zoom account first, and we'll do that in just a moment. Now, what I'm going to do is you could use the built-in webcam, but I've actually got my camcorder, which I'm using now, connected here so that I can use that camera, which might be more convenient for the live stream. And I'm going to show you how to set that up as well in Zoom. But you'll need something like this, a video capture device. This is the CamLink 4K, and what that will do is it will connect to my USB. It's got an HDMI here, so I've just got an HDMI connector here. I've got two of these, which is why I can do this at the same time. And if you've got something that's got USB-C, you can just get an adapter, which you've probably got anyway, to plug into here. So the first thing you need to do is to log into Zoom and go to your settings and make sure that this is switched on. So I'm here in Zoom on the zoom.us webpage, and I'm going to scroll down, but you can actually see it's in meeting advanced. I'm going to click on that here. So I'm already in my settings, and then I'm going to scroll down. It's a bit further down here, and you can see allow live streaming of meetings. Now I've already got it switched on where I can click on that switch, and then I've chosen the ones that I want, and you can see that the two that I've mentioned, Facebook and YouTube, are already switched on. Great. So now what I need to do is just go to Zoom. So here in Zoom, you can see it's got me. I'm talking to the camcorder here, and I can do that because down here in the sound, I can click on this arrow next to it, and I can choose which microphone I want. And I'm actually going to go for the CamLink 4K microphone because it's picking up the microphone here. Sorry, I probably touched that then. So again, with the camera next to where it says stop video, I just can click here. You can see I've got the CamLink 4K and other cameras as well. It might be something else, Blackmagic Design, if you're using something like an A10 Mini. So any of those are good. The A10 Mini will allow you to have multiple cameras and switch. So a good idea as well. And I've got one of those, and they're fantastic if I've got to do multi-camera. So both of those are switched on. So where do I go to find it? Well, you're here on Zoom, you're in a meeting, and you click here on these three dots where it says more, and you choose live on YouTube. And you can see it's got the other options such as live on Facebook as well. So let's go to live on YouTube, and it's coming up here with a whole bunch of accounts to use. So I'm going to choose one here, and then it's asked me which one I want within that. It's then giving me some information that this will allow Zoom to see, edit, and permanently delete your YouTube videos, ratings, comments, and captions, and also manage your YouTube account. I'm going to click on allow. Okay, so I'm going to give it a title. Let's do it. It's snowing outside, as you can see, or it has snowed. So let's just do a quick YouTube tips for in the snow. Sorry, being fumble fingers there. Privacy, I'm going to make it public. I could make it unlisted. I could make it private, but let's go public. And then when I go live, I can do what I'm going to do, which is going to be showing these tips. So let's just press go live. And it's preparing to start the live stream. And it's being live streamed. So let's go. So here I am live streaming on YouTube, and here it is. It's coming up on the screen here, the photography in the snow, and you can see it's doing that. So hi everyone. It's been snowing here in London, well, pretty much all over the UK. I need to go back to Zoom to stop this, and I do this by going up to the top of the screen. I click here and I can press stop. So thanks for watching and take care. Okay, so that's how you do it. I've actually just created a video as well with some tips on how to do things like that. It has now stopped. That's great. That's all I need to do. If I go back here to my YouTube channel, you can see it has stopped. And if I refresh that, it is now available on YouTube. So you can actually hear it here. Stop this, and I do this by going up to the top of the screen. Let's go back to the beginning, see where it started. Let's go right back to the beginning here, hit play. Okay, so one of the things to be aware of, it did start the live streaming just a moment before it actually had the message come up saying it is now live streaming. So sometimes just be aware that it might start a tiny bit earlier. In that case, a good idea is be careful what you say before going live and be ready. Maybe sit there with a little smile on your face, ready to go. Should always look happy. I always do this anyway before I start recording. It just makes it all come together for me that much better. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe and come back for more. I've got plenty of videos on my YouTube channel. At the time I'm putting this out, it's almost 500. So hopefully something there for all of you, whether it's tech, photography or filmmaking. Take care. And if it's snowing where you are, stay warm.